Let's learn English. My class, your class.
Today's lesson, the shapes.
Triangle, circle, rectangle, square.
With a triangle, we can draw a slice of pizza. We can also draw a birthday hat. With a circle, we can draw the sun. We can also draw a colored ball. With a rectangle, we can draw a truck. With a square, we can draw a house, and we can also draw a box.
Now, let's review. Triangle, circle, rectangle, square.